Welcome back. In the previous module, we looked at Introduction to PRINCE2. In this module, we are going to look at 4 integrated elements as recommended in PRINCE2. So, PRINCE2 4 integrated elements are PRINCE2 Principles, PRINCE2 Themes, Processes and Project Environment. PRINCE2 Principles. There are 7 PRINCE2 principles: continued business justification, learn from experience, define roles and responsibilities, manage by stages, manage by exception, focus on products and tailor the project to suit project environment. PRINCE2 themes. So, PRINCE2 project should consider the 7 PRINCE2 themes. The 7 PRINCE2 themes are business case, organization, quality, risk, plan, progress and change. There are 7 PRINCE2 processes. They are starting up a project, directing a project, initiating a project, controlling a stage boundary, managing product delivery, managing a stage boundary and closing a project. I hope this module helped you to understand the 4 integrated elements recommended in PRINCE2 for project management. In the next module, we are going to look at the key terms related to project management, portfolio management, program management, projects in context, 6 aspects of project management and characteristics of a project. Hope to see you there.